Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. A most remarkable feature of expansion of Article 21 after the aforesaid celebrated decision of Menka Gandhi versus Union of India has been that many of the non-justiciable directive principles has been converted into enforceable fundamental rights by the astonishing step taken by judiciary. In the process of expanding the ambit of Article 21, the Supreme Court has integrated many directive principles with Article 21 on the theme that fundamental rights are but a means to achieve the goals indicated in directive principles. The result of this judicial activism has been that not only many directive principles have been activated, but also many new fundamental rights have been implied by the Supreme Court from Article 21. Right to privacy has not been enumerated as fundamental right in the Constitution. However, for the first time as 1963 in Khadak Singh, a question was raised whether the right to privacy could be implied from the existing fundamental rights such as Articles 19(1)(d), 19(1)(e) and 21. The majority of judges participating in the decision said regarding right to privacy that our Constitution does not in terms confer any like constitutional guarantee. On the other hand, the minority opinion Subba Rao J was in favor of inferring the right to privacy from the expression personal liberty in Article 21. In the year 1975, in case of Govind versus State of Madhya Pradesh, the Apex Court took a step ahead by accepting a limited fundamental right to privacy as an emanation from Articles 19(a), (d) and 21. After 2 decades, in the year 1995, again in R. Rajgopal versus State of Tamil Nadu, the Supreme Court has asserted that in recent times the right to privacy has acquired constitutional status. It is implicit in the right to life and liberty guaranteed to the citizens by the Article 21. It is a right to be let alone. A citizen has a right to safeguard the privacy of his own, his family member, marriage, procreation, motherhood, childbearing, and education, among other matters. While interpreting right to privacy, the Supreme Court of India has taken into consideration the US position as well as Article 8 of ECHR, which defines right to privacy. The right to privacy has several aspects. One such aspect is the right to procreate. This is also known as the right of reproductive autonomy, the right to use condoms, the right of women to abort. All these fall within the ambit of the right to privacy. The AP High Court has observed in BK Parathsarthi versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Stop.